Here is my new mobile phone, Huawei P20 Pro. So pick it up on my post office. I am excited. My plan was not to buy this phone because I don't know about it. So easy. I look at Samsung S9 Plus, but after I see this release of this P20 Pro, I was totally sold. Because camera is one thing, and yeah, many other things. It's a fantastic phone, so let us open it. Let us see. Come with sealed with plastic. This have everything I want and much more. P20 Pro model. Yeah. So look at this. Wow. It's twilight. This color is fantastic. See here? It's so beautiful. It's twilight. They call it purple, but it's like purple blue. Yeah. There it is. Oh my God! You see? You can even see me in the picture there. 3 lenses in front, 6.1 screen. Oh my God, it's beautiful, really beautiful. Stuff's in here, of course it is. It's something here. Cool. They send you protection. How cool is that? See here, no other company before has sent me a protection for my phone. And of course it's like so you can see the beautiful color and everything. It should be like that. Nice. Good company. Here it's quick start guide on all European languages and maybe a little bit more. Warranty card, blah blah blah. And here it's USB and props. And this loader. And another thing, this one, connection. This is the connection. This is awesome. There. This. And this. And look at this phone. It's nice. The color is beautiful. So why I choose a Chinese brand like Huawei and not Samsung from Korea? Because of some things. I have Samsung from before, and my plan was to buy Samsung because it's a brand and you know what you get. But I read about Huawei 10 who get extremely good critics. So I think a little bit Samsung 9 Plus or Huawei 10 Pro or 10 Mate Pro or what it was. And then Huawei P20 Pro come out on market, and the big thing here, it's camera. 3 lenses, and that's one thing. You have 3 lenses, and you have, like, in front here you have 24 megapixel. I think you have 45 back here. You have color, black and white, and you have zoom. And this night picture here and this zoom, it's like something we never see on a mobile phone before, and the quality is amazing because it's from German Leica. You have Leica here, and Leica, it's extremely good lenses. It's German quality. It's very famous, so we know it's good. So this camera, it's the best you see from a mobile phone, and they get critics and reviews best of the best because of this. Is a big deal breaker. No one on market has something like this. So camera is good. The next thing who is good here is like 4000 milliampere battery. You have battery for a whole day, maybe 2 days if you don't use it so extremely much. So you have fantastic battery. And another thing, you have a supercharger here. You can load up like 70% or something, or in 30 minutes, or it's go quick. You have 6 gigabyte RAM, and you have 128 gigabyte for savings. It's big. My Samsung phone, my old Samsung phone, 32 gigabyte, and here 128. It's fantastic. It's many fantastic things. And another thing, is better on price than Samsung too. Price is not so important for me, but anyway, if you can save some money, it's always good. Better price, better camera, yeah, and it's not so much to think about. So what I will do now is to load up, and good speakers too. I will load up, immediately put it on charging. Put it like this. 61. It's like now 61. Fantastic. I'm so excited to begin to use it. And look at this color. It's not so easy maybe to see the color here, but anyway. So this is my new mobile phone from Huawei P20 Pro, 6.1 screen, 128 gigabyte saving, 6 gigabyte RAM, and triple camera from German Leica. That is some of the good specs.